Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to add prepaid funds to your ad account on Facebook. So when you log into the ad manager, for those who don't know, you can go to when you log into your Facebook account, you look at the left, you see ad manager. When you click, it brings you to the ad manager. From the ad manager, you come to the left, you see billing and payment. So you open the billing and payment, and then it will bring you to this place. So it brings you here. Now when you get here, below it, you will see, depending on the country you live, the appearance of the billing and payment will look different. For example, if you are in Nigeria, you will see it looking like this. This is an account for a client who is Nigeria, and so typically you will see it looking like this. However, if for most of the countries, what is going to see here, you will see current balance. Current balance means that if you are using a postpaid ad account where you run the advert before you pay, you will see it looking that way, and you will always see the available funds below. But this is for a country like for Nigeria. Typically, the most of the payment method there is prepaid. By default, the option available for Nigerian Facebook users, if they are paying, if they want to add funds, it is the prepaid option that is available. So you will see it looking this way. So when you come to this section, just click on add funds, or even if you are using a postpaid ad account and you want to add a fund, you will see it below. Then you click on the add funds, then you choose the amount that you want to add. So for example, this one, I want to add 12,000 naira, and then you choose. There are several options available, so I'm choosing the last option, pay by bank transfer. You have pay by USD, pay by debit. Okay, I'm using the pay by debit or credit card option, and then I'll click next. No, and I'll very good. This is the option I'm looking for. Pay in Naira with Visa or MasterCard. So this is the one I'm looking for, but you can use this if you are in any other part of the world. So click next. It says open to pay in Naira. So just continue. So you enter your debit or credit card details. So you enter your payment details, and then they will send an OTP. Then you put the OTP here and then confirm. So when you put a code and confirm the payment, automatically the funds will be added to your account. This one, I was doing a demonstration. I'm not doing an actual the payment, or I'm not actually trying to add funds, but I'm just doing a demonstration. So that is exactly how you can add funds to your account. If you follow this process and you have any problem doing it, you can leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us for assistance on how to get your issues resolved. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye.